warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable of Headmaster Islamic Junior High School number 1 as AWADH sengkang. Honorable Head of Committee English Camp. Honorable Committee of English Camp. Honorable of Instructor of English Camp. And well-beloved all participants English Camp. First of all, let's thank and praise to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, because Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala give a chance, good life and long life. So we can attend in a simple place, in happy situation and happy condition. Secondly, we never forget salawat and salutation to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who guided us, the human being, from the darkness to the brightness, from stupidity to the cleverness, namely Islam. I'm standing in front of you all to say thank you so much to Gurunta, committee, instructor, and participants of English Camp. So we can attend in a simple place. And English Camp can be in a simple place in Bali Street. I also give aspiration to committee, instructor, and participants as work together in English Camp, quiz and game. Increase the knowledge of participant English Camp. Maybe that is I say thank you to Gurunta, committee, instructor, and participants of English Camp. Wabillahi taufiq wa sa'adah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.